John and Jen, you have come here together in the presence of God's people, so that the Lord may seal and strengthen your love. Christ abundantly blesses this love. He enriches you through a special sacrament, so that you may assume the duties of marriage in mutual and lasting fidelity.
Tayo natikutin, digdig sa loob ng salamin, pansamantalang limutin ating kasalukuyan.
Nakilala ko si Jen, ang aking mabuting may bahay. Yes! Sa Don Bosco, Mandaluyong.
Unang kita ko pa lang sa kanya, may meeting kasi noon. Tapos same kami ng department. Tapos nakita ko siya, sabi ko, hala, sino yan? Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos yun, sabi ko crush ko na siya.
Una nagsimula kami as magkaibigan hanggang sa...
Tapos sino nag-first mong ikaw? Or siya?
Naka-video, diba? So, joke lang. O di ako na nga.
Alam na namin lahat.
Ayun.
Natutunan ko or nalaman ko na na-inlove na pala ako kay Jen hanggang sa niligawan ko si Jen.
Ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
What is love for you?
Love? Love is a commitment.
Wow.
Kaya itong pagpapakasal ko is a commitment. It's a forever yes.
Amen. Yes.
Gusto ko lang sabihin kay Jen na sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng natutunan ko, pinagdaanan namin, sa journey namin as couple together. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kasi talagang siya yung naging strength ko at talagang support system ko, lalong-lalo sa mga panahon na mahirap yung pinagdadaanan ko. Nandun palagi si Jenny para sa akin.
Siya yung magiging asawa ko na.
Ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Thank you for being my partner and my comforter during my highs and lows. I know we've waited for this moment. I know all your hardships, disappointments, and the things that made you cry while we are preparing this special day of ours. Sa wakas, after nito, I can call you wife. I promise to be your knight in shining armor, to be your handsome clown, especially when you are sad. Your number one fan in all your dreams and everything you want to do in life. And a responsible husband and father to the children whom God will give to us. I love you, dearest. Pangakong pipiliin ka sa araw-araw because I know you are my home and my palagi. Mahal na mahal kita.
Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawaring ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita.
would be different. I thank God for calling me to this vocation, and I'm even more thankful that I get to share and live this life with you. I promise to listen to all your repeated cuentos and cherish every story as if it's the first time. I promise to never get tired of scratching and massaging your back when it aches. I promise to make your favorite coffee every morning just the way you like it. I promise to kiss you goodnight, always. I promise to pray for you and walk beside you in faith. I will be your best friend, your confidant, your samgyup buddy, your ML duo, your life companion, and your wife. Life has been great and purposeful because of the things that you do and the lessons I learned from you. I will joyfully continue learning and journeying through this life with you. With you, I look forward to a lifetime of love, laughter, and grace. You are my answered prayer, my greatest blessing, and my forever yes. I love you.
Paano nangyari